it's me, Dolphin, and I am alone today. Okay, I will open it up and we will see what it is. So this is actually saying that it's a fragile package and it should be handled with care. So that I should be, and here it says that I should be careful if I open with a knife or a scissor because it can easily break. So I will use my scalpel. And guys, oh my god, this is Oneus. Oh my god, look at them. This is actually really nice, guys. It's in a really good state. It's a little bit, I don't know if it's actually damaged or should be like that. Okay, so this is actually a little damage. But otherwise it's really good. And this is actually really nice because they have like good feeling to it, and I don't know if you can see it here, but it has fly with us written here, like WIFLUITSTH. It's really nice. Okay, so let's open it up. Okay, so like this you can see here. Here you have how it looks like, and that is what it looks like here. I don't know if you can see it. Okay, it's a little bit shimmery. See that? And here we have, oh my god, this is nice. I love how they always look like. Here you have won an award kind of thing. I love that. Just love that. Okay, so here we have the book. Oh my god, I just opened in the middle. Oh, this is so nice. Oh, look at him. So cute. Decided not to put the names in the book. And that is something I actually think is sad, because even if you like now they're bigger, I still liked how they always had like here, like we do written. But yeah, but I'm not complaining. This is looking nice. So, okay. So here we have the photo cards, and it's written on both of them. That's sweet. And like a bookmark. So I think bookmarks are like in now, because I think this is like the 4th bookmark I get now. Then we have here, don't know what this is actually, but oh god, this is like a real card. This is really nice. And then you have the lyrics cards. So here you have the track list, and with like the scenery, just like that. Okay, they are like glued together. Plastic flower. Okay, so here we have it. It's really nice. Actually, I'm sorry. It's really nice. They are looking fine. Okay, I shouldn't say this because they are all. God, what is wrong with me? I just come from work, guys. I'm sorry, I can't speak. So, I hope you enjoyed this, and don't forget to click the like button, ring the bell, send a comment, and subscribe. And I hope we will meet soon again. Bye!